Welcome to the Sofa Rehab YouTube channel. This is a demonstration video for the leather prep wash from Sofa Rehab. In this video we're going to demonstrate two techniques to use in the leather prep wash. The first technique will be the one that most people use, the standard application for removing dirt, oil, grime and disturbing the top coat for standard leather repairs, and the second technique is going to be a more in-depth application where we're removing the top coat and disturbing the colour coat. Okay, let's get into applying the leather prep wash. This is the standard way that most people will apply the product. You can apply the product directly to the repair area or you can apply it to the cloth. We spritz the solution over the surface of the repair, making sure that it's wet but not running off the surface of the leather. You don't want it pooling on the surface, you want it just wet. So beginning to clean the repair area, we're using a microfiber cloth here from Sofa Rehab. What's actually happening now is that the leather prep wash solution is sitting on the surface of the leather. It's beginning to break down any waxes, oils, silicons, previous maintenance products, any oil and grease and dirt and grime that's sitting on the surface of the leather from many years of use. But most importantly, it's actually starting to disturb the factory clear coat. The top coat that the factory put on the leather to protect it is starting to be disturbed the more we clean this area. You can see here on the cloth that there is a lot of dirt and grime coming off the leather, so this is great preparation for the repair. This leather needs to be completely clean and free from those contaminations and top coats before moving on to any further repairs using the Sofa Rehab repair products. So this is the standard application of leather prep wash. This is how most people will be using the product. Whilst we carry on cleaning this cushion, this is a good time to talk about the leather prep wash. Leather prep wash is a super strong water-based leather cleaner. Whilst we call it a cleaner, it's not used for general leather cleaning. It's used for preparation of the leather surface or vinyl surface for repairs where you're applying further products in the repair process. So it's a great preparation product, not a standard leather cleaner. It can be used to remove stubborn stains, however it will affect the factory top coat in most cases, and therefore you would either need to apply leather colorant or a new layer of top coat. So we don't recommend it for just standard leather cleaning. It's recommended for use in the repair process only. Leather prep wash is suitable for all leather and vinyl except nubuck and suede. It's available in several sizes. You can either purchase the product by itself or it's a standard inclusion in all of our repair kits. So that completes the standard application of the leather prep wash. You can see here on the cloth that we've removed plenty of dirt, grease, grime, oils, and we've disturbed the factory top coat. This area is now ready for the next application in the repair process, whether that be fillers, glues, binders, leather colourants, etc. Most people can stop here. However, if you want to move on to the next stage, which is removing the top coat and disturbing the colour coat, we'll demonstrate this now. So in this part of the video we're going to demonstrate how to remove the factory top coat and disturb the colour coat. So this is ideal for when you're doing in-depth leather repairs such as this crack repair kit we're doing here. We're using a combination of the leather prep wash sprayed onto the surface and 600 grade sandpaper. We apply the prep wash to the entire area like we did in the first part of the video over the entire repair site, and then we use the sandpaper to agitate the surface. The sandpaper is not looking to scratch or damage the surface of the leather, it's just looking to remove that factory clear coat and disturb that colour coat. So as demonstrated here, we are paying particular attention to the repair site. So this is where we're going to be doing a repair on the cracked leather. So we're making sure that this area is super clean and prepared for the next stage. So using the cloth, we just wipe away the remnants of the sanding and the prep solution to reveal that we've removed the top coat and disturbed the colour coat. So moving into the final stages of the preparation, we're sanding over the entire repair site. So not only where we're putting the crack filler here, but wherever we're going to be putting the repair products such as leather colorant, etc., we're going to make sure that's prepared properly too. So sanding those areas is key. As with any repairs that you do, ultimately the preparation is the key to making the repairs successful. So taking time at this stage to prepare the leather correctly is really, really important. So once we're happy with all the sanding here, we're now going to go over with the prep wash for one final application over the entire area to make sure it's nice and clean and free from any dust and debris. And making sure that we're just cleaning inside the creases and the folds of the leather, making sure they're dust free and clean from the solution. And then we're making sure the entire area is fully dry. We're using a hairdryer to speed up this process because the next stage of the repair needs to be completely dry before you apply any repair products. So once the area is dry, it will look similar to this. The area is dull in its appearance because the top coat has been removed. You can see that it's clearly been sanded and prepared for the next stage. So that concludes the demonstration video from Sofa Rehab on how to use the leather prep wash. I do hope you've enjoyed this video and you've learned how to use the product. If you haven't done so far, please do like the video and also please subscribe to our channel. If you have any comments or feedback about this video, please do leave them below. Otherwise, you can purchase this product from sofarehab.com. If you need to reach out to us or contact us in another way, you can use these details here.